June and Father's Day is quickly approaching, also known as my day. Courtney is standing by with some things Dad might enjoy this year.
Yeah, we've got a lifestyle and project expert, Kathryn Emery, joining us this morning. And probably one of her best projects is her son, Dylan, who's joining her as well. Good morning, both of you. Good to see you.
I'm so happy to be here. I mean, what better day to talk about tools and projects than celebrating Dad, right, Courtney?
Absolutely. And I bet it's probably fun for Dad to do projects with the kiddos as well. So you've got some cool tool ideas when they do want to jump into these projects.
Absolutely, I do. So you kicked it off perfectly. So Dad loves tools, right? So I wanted to bring with me Heart because this is a newer line. They just launched in 2019. They're made by TTI, which is an industry leader in cordless technology, but they make over 70 tools and one battery. So Dad can get into the platform and get the job done.
Oh.
Their breath, isn't that amazing? And they've got brushless technology. So it's going to give Dad more power, longer runtime, longer motor life. He's going to get the job done easier and less time with more power. So that's at Walmart. This 4-piece set on the table with me is under 100 and this is 138 right now, or just these two for 100. I mean, so go get Dad that. And then they have all these tools. So look at what we made here. Dylan, lift that up. So what is that, Dylan?
It's a taco stand. But I think my dad would prefer a beer stand.
A taco shelf. That is brilliant.
So there's some context. So Heart on their website has all these cool plans. So this is the taco stand. As you can see, it was super easy to make. We just followed the directions. You cut out the lumber and then drilled some holes, put some dowels in. But there's also a beer caddy, breakfast and bed tray, Dad's workbench, fitness equipment, giant Jenga. We made the taco stand, but we're apparently rethinking that idea. So anyway, go make the beer caddy too.
I love it. How about updating the man cave for Dad?
Absolutely. Okay, so we've got to get everything off the floors and onto the walls,
Yes,
right, Jill?
please.
I mean, is everything all over the place?
You can call it a kid cave as well.
Oh, we're calling it a kid cave apparently too. So that's what I'm being told. So Rubbermaid has this fast track garage storage rail system, Courtney. It's amazing. It's a 6-piece set. As you'll see here, it's got the 2 rails. It's got a power tool hook, a utility hook, a multi-purpose hook, handle hook. You're going to put everything up there, balls, bike, shelves, cabinet. Here's the nice thing. You can personalize it for your dad. So you can go find that at Lowe's. But isn't that awesome? So we're gonna put everything off the ground and on the wall. So doesn't that just look beautiful?
It does.
So we dream.
We dream. Oh, I love it.
It's gonna be the man cave or the kid cave, as Dylan so aptly put it, right?
Kid cave.
The kid cave. I dig it, Dylan. I'm right there with you. Okay, just a few seconds left. So after you have done, Dylan has done all the projects with Dad, it is now time to relax with Dad, yeah?
Oh, absolutely. So Project Source Outdoor Misting at Lowe's has 4 options. They are so easy. They're under $25. Nice. All you do is attach a hose, no electricity to require, minimal assembly. So there's a little mini mister, as you can see. You can attach it to like a chair or whatever. Portable misting system can go under umbrella. You can wrap it around a post. A fan conversion kit, you can attach it to a fan. And then our favorite here is, you can see there in the picture, is the Flexi Mist, because it reminds us of slip and slide. Do you remember the good old days?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah, it is just like slip and slide.
Right, absolutely. So this is Project Source. I mean, hey, we know how hot it gets there. So chill out with Dad with all these awesome options. Project Source Misting at Lowe's. So
good stuff.
Fun things to do with Dad.
Kathryn, you're the best. Dylan, so good to see you, buddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy Father's Day.
We'll link all the details for those projects and tools to our website under show info and today's date.
You know how I realized I've fully become a dad? Is what I want for Father's Day is a toolbox.
Yep.
Yeah.
You have arrived.
Yeah.
I have a toolbox. It's my neighbor Jack.
I don't have a neighbor.
Hey, Jack, do you have the thing? Taco stand.
Yeah, taco stand's nice.
Beat the heat by cooling off at the pool. Still ahead, the local aquatic center that offers daily swim, water slides.